Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. My apologies, I haven't been doing any videos in the past week. It's been super cold out there. It's been snowing. Started from the Halloween night, and it's been snowing since then, guys. And I've been shoveling the driveway day in, day out. And yeah, it's been super cold out there, guys. I've been lacking motivation truly to do anything here in the garage, despite of having a heating system here. But anyways, guys, I figured, I'll do a short blog possibly here, much like I've done last week. Hopefully this time I have a bit more content for you. I'm just gonna do some cleaning up here in the garage because I can show you guys exactly what's going on here. I got pretty much tires, I got ornaments here from the Halloween time frame. My kayaking and fishing equipments are still, basically here lying around, and I figured I'll probably get them stored in the storage base so that way we can at least have a workable space here, guys, because I would like to actually park the Asuna Sunfire underneath the Golf R and being able to actually park the Pilot or even the Jetta here from time to time, along with the Acura MDX. And at the same time, guys, it's been a while. I don't know, since probably since day one, since I started YouTube, I've probably been wearing the same glasses since then. This was what, 5 years ago, and I think I have these glasses about more than 5 years because my eyesight hasn't been really changing so much that it's been stagnant, and I didn't need any new prescription in the process. But lately I figured, time to change. In fact, I have all the benefit to have new glasses every year, but I'm just too lazy to get one. But anyways, guys, just so you know that next time you see me and I'm wearing a different glasses, you might not recognize me. So I figured I'll let you guys know. And hey, let me know what you guys think with the new look and the new glasses that I have. So anyways, guys, without further ado, stay tuned.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows, semi-spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies sound a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.
Well, I just want to address an issue on one of the most viewed yet most misunderstood video of all. Guys, it's regarding the Audi jack point that I was basically featuring at one point there. I just want to say that the jack points really are, guys, are this kit that was installed on the Golf R. And you can pretty much install this this OEM kit from Audi on any of your Mark 7 and Mark 7.5 or possibly 8, most likely for sure, pads, and you can use it to lift your car the way I have explained it on the video. And my apologies again, guys, I didn't explain and I basically assumed that you guys are familiar with this jack point. So I figured I'll show it to you, which I missed to actually emphasize and show what this jack point is all about. And if you guys missed or haven't seen that video yet, please check it out. I have two videos. One, when I was installing it, how to install it basically, and two, how how easy it is to actually lift the car with this jack point. So anyways, guys, I hope that address that a little bit, and hopefully all these negative comments about the video and what this is thing all about clears up a little bit. It is now Friday, and it's a Memorial Day long weekend, and guys, hope that you guys are enjoying the weekend. We are still in this state, basically, guys. I'm still cleaning up the garage. I just have to move the tires for now and wash them once the Chinook weather rolls into the city. And I wanted to just get all those tires out and move them on this side. And then I just wanted to park the Asuna Sunfire underneath the Golf R so we could free up the middle bay so we could actually use it to either park the other cars or do more work in the garage in the process. So anyways, guys, I know it's long overdue, and again, just wanted to do some cleaning up here in the garage and have you guys tag along. Well, here's the Sunu Sunfire, guys. All peeled off. As you can see, it's nicely detailed just recently. We're gonna start the car pretty soon here. Also wanted to show you guys exactly what was done to this car last summer. And we got a nice stainless steel burnt tips. They're really nice touch. And it's still full resonated. It's still with a cat and everything, and it sounds so awesome, guys. So anyways, I'm gonna fire it up and give you guys a clip here. So a cold start. Sounds so awesome, guys. Can't believe how beautiful this addition to this Sunu Sunfire. It's pretty much fully stock, at the exception of the intake at one point, and now a full catback, customized, and I guess now we can't really find any original muffler for this baby, so we got it custom. Anyways, it's really, the video doesn't really do justice in this case. It's really hard to justify the sound, guys, but in person, boy oh boy, this sounds so good for a 4-cylinder 1.8 4-cylinder naturally aspirated. It's awesome. It's really sounds really great, guys. I love it. I'm gonna give it a rev here as soon as it warms up a little bit. Asuna is underneath the Golf R now, guys. So at least now we freed up this area here, so you can do a lot more work here in the winter time. So man, I love the way this color is, guys. This blue is just awesome. It's one of my favorite blue. What's so deep basically here, guys. And this is the original paint, by the way. It hasn't been repainted before. Basically this is the original paint, and I took care of it pretty well. It hasn't been detailed or anything yet. This is just a straight out original paint. It's not perfect. There are some dings and stuff like that on this baby, but we'll be getting the paintless dent repair at some point in time. I know a guy that will be able to do all that for me. So anyways, guys, we'll continue on doing some work here, and stay tuned. Well, we're back in the fully enclosed garage, guys, and we now have our heater going. So we're trying to get the warmth in here. So guys, there's one thing that's been pending and I've been wanting to do the longest time. I wanted to actually install, I'll show it to you guys. So I have this thing. It is an LED light, basically, guys, and this was purchased a couple months back, and I wanted to actually install this. It's going to be an LED underneath the lift, so that way we could have some lighting underneath there. So it's about I think it's a 30 or 40 footer lengthwise, and yeah, right there it's 32 foot. It's about 33. And see if I could actually wrap it around the underneath there, and so we could have some lighting underneath, because I find that if there's no light there, it's really dark. Right now I have you know, a tube down there for my lighting, and I wanted to have this as well, so that way we can just easily light up the underneath the lift there, and at the same time it has this nice remote control, so we could pretty much dim or change the color and all that kind of stuff. That would be awesome to try. So anyways, there's a few more items in here. I think it's the power source and a few other things in here. Oh yeah, so the 3M tape that we can use to actually secure it in the process there. So yeah, we'll give this a try. All right, time to install this baby in. All done, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the lights. It turned out pretty good, and in fact it's exact. It went around exactly around the lift, and it's just, I can't believe the measurement was totally exact in there. Now you can truly get some lighting underneath this vehicle here, which is kind of nice. Again, guys, if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, and again, don't forget to subscribe, and as well ring that bell as always, so you can get notified for all the videos I have going forward. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.